I checked out Chixen KC and was so impressed. This place has a nice vibe with some cute spots to snap a selfie. The drinks and food were very delicious. I tried the apple pie fries, the bourbon sweet tea, and the ginger drop. Everything was absolutely delicious. They also make a delicious Jerk Chixen Chili over a cornbread waffle. I want to go back and try the ground chicken Chixen burger, as well as those blue velvet brownies. These are the apple pie fries. Super yummy, the dip is really good, and the fries are a perfect blend of salty and sweet. And this ginger drop, delicious, yummy.